So yeah, I just changed a fuel filter on a 2003 Ford F250 V10 6.8 liter. And the fuel that came out of it was that. I don't know if you can see how bad it is, but it's bad. I'm going to probably push it through a coffee filter. Surprisingly, on the output side, the fuel came out pretty clear. So the filter did its job, but we had a sputtering problem at 1500 RPM. It seemed like a misfire. It seemed like it was lacking fuel. Fuel pressure was good. 28 to 29 PSI on the road test. Everything was fine. This would be a fuel volume issue. So you can have great fuel pressure at the rail, but you might not be pushing very much fuel. And this may be one of those indicators, but maybe this didn't fix the problem. Maybe the problem is the fuel pump that's just weak and can't push volume as well. I mean, that's a lot of material in that fuel system. So just a little FYI, 2003 Ford F250, and it is a snowplow truck, and it's a 6.8 liter. I just changed the fuel filter, and I have changed hundreds of fuel filters, hundreds, and I've never seen anything like this. Peace.